Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to save Reels videos as drafts on Instagram. Instagram lets you record a Reels video and save it as a draft before sharing on the Explore page. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to the Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on your story in the top left corner of the screen. When the camera window opens, find Reels at the bottom and press on it. After that, hit the button in order to start recording a video, or you can upload the one from your camera roll. Now you can edit a video by inserting stickers, drawing or writing something if you want. Tap the arrow button. Don't forget that you can change the cover image of your video and write a caption. After that, if you don't want to share a video yet, simply hit Save as Draft. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to save Reels videos as drafts on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.